guys, it's Kory here. Today I just want to show you guys how to make some delicious salmon cakes. Quick and easy. Everything you probably have. You may have to buy like a little bit of seasoning, but that's it. They're gonna be delicious, fried well, tasty, scrumptious. Let's get into the video because I know y'all mouth is watering. Okay, so first I'll start with some pink salmon. This isn't the salmon I normally get, but they didn't have the orange can, so I bought this one, and it tastes the same. I tried it and everything. So first I start off by cleaning the salmon. You clean it off by basically taking off the skin, which is the gray part, and like the fatty part. It may be like light gray. Just take all that off. I put it back into the can. I drain the juice, and I take out all of the bones and all of the little circle things in there. Those are bones, and you also have like stringy bones, as you can see. Pick it apart, get the middle out right there. And I just put it back in the bowl when I'm done. And I break it apart. For this dish, I'm actually going to use 2 cans of salmon. Because this salmon can, it seems a little smaller, I guess. It's just smaller than what I'm used to. Okay, so I did the second can off camera, but now I'm gonna add all the ingredients. I've broken it up, and let's just get everything together. So first, I'm gonna add 2 eggs. I add like an egg for each can of salmon. That one, I kind of cracked it kind of ugly, but just take the shell out. And the second one, crack that one in there. Don't mix it yet. I like to mix everything together. I add mustard for a little bit of twang. I think mustard goes well with salmon cake. I just eyeballed it. But if I could tell you, probably be like 2 teaspoons of mustard. My mustard is running low. Then I add some mayo. So whatever I add in mustard, I probably add like double that in mayo. So it's like 2 heaping teaspoons, I'm sorry. I eyeball that too. You want it to be wet, but not too wet, you know? And sometimes mayo can change the texture of it. So now we're going to add the seasonings. After we add the eggs, the mayo, and the mustard. So I start with some salt, because, you know, you want your food to be well seasoned. I don't know if you can see it, but I sprinkled a little bit. Not too much, because you're still going to add other seasonings. And you know other seasonings got salt in it too. Add a little bit of lemon pepper. Some garlic salt. Some salmon seasoning. Now this one is real good. I add this on actual fillets of salmon as well. I'll make a video on that too. Add some Old Bay. I'm a Maryland girl. I done told y'all that, so you know I had to add the Old Bay. But y'all don't have to add that. You know, everybody doesn't like Old Bay, but in Maryland, we love Old Bay. So we put Old Bay on a lot of stuff that Old Bay probably isn't required. But I think Old Bay goes well on seafood. Don't add too much because it can be spicy and it can overpower it. But just add a little pinch for a little kick, you know, a little smokiness. So now I mix it up. Make sure it's mixed well. Mix the wet and the seasonings. And on top of that, we're going to add some breadcrumbs. But before you add the breadcrumbs, make sure you chop up the salmon as you're mixing it. Because you don't want huge pieces of salmon in it. You want your salmon cakes to be nice and broken up. So if you see any big parts, just chop it down with the spoon. Kind of like a minced meat. You kind of want that texture. Once it's mixed well, we're going to get the breadcrumbs. And I tell how many breadcrumbs I want to add by just coating it. Coat the top layer with breadcrumbs. Mix it. Coat the top layer again. Mix it. And then that should be the texture that it should be for you to form the balls. Now, here are the salmon cakes. I already put some in a pan. I put my heat on like medium low. And now we're gonna flip them. See how nice they come out? You don't want the fire to be too hot because in the middle will be mushy. But you flip them, they look nice and beautiful. Ooh, it's okay. It's gonna come back together, y'all. There we go. Nice and golden brown. I'll do like 10 minutes on each side. And there we go. So I started with some rice and some broccoli. Thank y'all for watching. Subscribe, like the video, share. Take it home with your families. I promise you that they'll like it. Thank you guys and peace.